66 million years ago, Earth belonged to the most powerful creatures ever to walk this planet.
For over 165 million years, dinosaurs ruled every continent, every ecosystem, every corner of Earth. Then, in a geological instant, they were gone. And the real mystery is far stranger than you were taught.
Every school textbook says the same thing. A massive asteroid hit Earth and wiped them all out.
But here is what they don't tell you. Thousands of scientists say this explanation has serious unexplained holes. The asteroid that struck Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula released energy 2 billion times more powerful than any nuclear bomb. The impact threw so much debris into the sky that sunlight was blocked for years, maybe decades.
But here is the problem. The fossil record shows some dinosaurs were already declining before the asteroid hit.
400,000 years before the asteroid, the largest volcanic eruption in Earth's history had already begun in India.
These eruptions pumped so much carbon dioxide and sulfur into the atmosphere that the climate was already collapsing.
Scientists now believe the asteroid did not act alone. It delivered the final blow to a world already on the edge of collapse.
Combined, they triggered a nuclear winter. Temperatures plummeted 15 degrees globally within months.
Without sunlight, plants died. Without plants, herbivores starved. Without herbivores, the great predators had nothing left to hunt. Here is what nobody can fully explain. Some creatures survived. Small mammals, certain birds, crocodiles, turtles. Why them and not the dinosaurs? Scientists discovered that large body size, the very thing that made dinosaurs dominant, made them impossible to sustain when food vanished.
Creatures that could burrow underground, go dormant, or slow their metabolism survived. Dinosaurs had evolved no such ability.
A third theory, rarely discussed, fossil evidence suggests widespread disease was already sweeping through dinosaur populations before the asteroid. Climate shifts had already been causing widespread dinosaur egg failure. Embryos could not survive the temperature changes. Populations were crashing before the impact. New research shows the extinction was not instant. It played out over 700,000 years of cascading ecological collapse.
As the last non-avian dinosaurs vanished, tiny mammals emerged from hiding into a world completely reset.
But the story has one shocking twist. Dinosaurs did not fully go extinct. Birds are dinosaurs. They survived. They are still here. We now know many dinosaurs had feathers. The ancestor of every bird alive today was a small feathered dinosaur that outlasted its giant relatives. Here is what truly haunts paleontologists. We have only found fossils from a tiny fraction of the species that ever existed. The true extinction scale is unknown.
Scientists call what happened 66 million years ago the fifth mass extinction. They say we are now entering the sixth, caused by us.
Species are disappearing today 1,000 times faster than the natural background rate, faster than at the moment of the asteroid impact.
NASA tracks over 2,000 potentially hazardous asteroids in orbits that cross Earth's path. The question is not if, it is when.
The Yellowstone supervolcano alone, if it erupted at full scale, could replicate Deccan traps conditions and trigger a new mass extinction event.
The dinosaurs had no warning, no science, no ability to prevent their fate. We have all three, and we're choosing to look away.
Scientists still cannot agree on which factor delivered the killing blow. The asteroid, the volcanoes, disease, climate, or all of them together. The Dinosaur Extinction Mystery. 66 million years later, we still do not have all the answers, and that should terrify us.